Whitechapel, the East End of London, in 1888, resides the notorious, world-famous first serial killer, Jack the Ripper. So this is my first diorama. It's basically put together of all the scrap that I had for printing the Storm Crow Manor, which I got from my mini factory. Fantastic piece that is. A couple of misprints, probably my fault. So I used all the bits and bobs I had, threw them all together, welded together with soldering iron, added some old lights that I had laying around, just bits of scrap and that, painted it up. Just it all didn't all fit together. I made it fit together, and I got the Jack the Ripper from Colts 3D, and I got the Sacrificial Bride from my mini factory. And here it is. So if you like what you see, you know what you gotta do. Hit the like button, follow me, or subscribe. And if you want to see more stuff that I'm up to, this is the place.